Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle, and today I'm doing the Winnebago 2326 travel trailer. It is less than 30 feet in total length, 50 amp service, so it is pre-wired for a second air conditioner. Another thing I really want to point out is this is not on a Lippert frame. This is on the BAL by Norco Industries. You got a power tongue jack. Now you're going to notice a lot of other things are Lippert or Lippert affiliate components, but at the time that they built this travel trailer, they were not using Lippert frames. They were using a different one. And the reason why, folks, is because there is a class action lawsuit against Grand Design RV with their frames on their fifth wheels. Now, this GVWR is 8,800 pounds. It's got a cargo capacity of 3,110 pounds. So you're talking about 5,690 dry. It has electric jacks front and back. Now, getting back to what I was saying, there's solar on top, by the way. Getting back to what I was saying, because there was this big problem with Lippert and Grand Design, it was not predominant in any other brand but Grand Design. That's why it's in a lawsuit. Sorry, my thought got caught up. A lot of manufacturers decided to go back to another frame developer. And if you notice, those guys have now gone back to Lippert. A lot of them. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Okay. You got the Explorer package, Comfort package, 3-year structural warranty. Coming inside, this is a very popular floor plan with a lot of retired folks. You got, especially because it's half-ton towable, 3-burner stove, convection microwave, 1-piece sink, lots of counter space, good drawers. They're nice and deep. Now, a lot of people ask me, well, these are all piles of crap, right? I mean, everything built after COVID is just a pile of junk. That's not true. Now, what has changed over the years, if you go to the 2012 Montana I just sold, which is a pre-owned one, and you go look at the Alpine, which is was built on the same line, the difference between the two is not the construction of the unit. The construction is built identically. The difference is there's more stuff in the Alpine, like solar, inverters, things of that nature, than there was in the Montana. So they went from real wood faceplates to this lighter weight composite material. Now, is this lightweight composite material worse quality than hardwood? That's personal preference. I like the look of the wood better. I like the fact that I can take and do, this is a nice bathroom. I like that I can take and put like wood polish to the exterior faces of some of the older units, okay? But that does not mean that the older units are built better. My 2006 Weekend Warrior is a nice coach, got a nice bones to it. I'm actually redoing it. But the reality is, and as much as I'm not a fan of Brinkley RV, a Brinkley 3100 fifth wheel is much better built than my 06 Weekend Warrior. A Riverstone by Forest River is far better built than my Weekend Warrior. So just want to kind of throw that out there. Now, again, you can put a second air conditioner on it. You saw the pricing on the side of the coach. If you'd like to know where it's located, the website's in the description box below.